一架美国航空客机于美国时间1月29号晚上在雷根华盛顿国家机场附近与一架美军黑鹰直升机在空中相撞后坠入波托马克河中。有目击者形容当时候空中火花四溅，像是场大型烟火。出事的编号5342航班当时从堪萨斯州威奇塔飞往华盛顿，机上有60名乘客和4名机组人员。至于黑鹰直升机上载有3名军人，直升机当时候正在进行训练。事发后，当局已经打捞出多具尸体。另外，美国航空首席执行员也对事件表达深切哀痛。
This is a difficult day for all of us at American Airlines, and our efforts now are focused entirely on the needs of our passengers, crew members, partners, first responders, along with their families and loved ones. American Eagle Flight 5342, operated by PSA Airlines, a CRJ-700 aircraft traveling from Wichita, Kansas to Washington Reagan National Airport, has been involved in an accident near Washington, D.C. It appears to have collided with a military aircraft on approach. We are actively working with local, state, and federal authorities on emergency response efforts, and the American Airlines care team has been activated to assist our passengers and their families.